This is an instructional video for how to write an argumentative paragraph. To write an argumentative paragraph, we're going to use the acronym MEAL, M-E-A-L, for make a claim, evidence, analysis, and logical conclusion. In the next slides, we're going to talk about each part of this to help you write the best argumentative paragraph possible. First, let's start with the M in MEAL that stands for make a claim. This first sentence in your argumentative paragraph is the top bun. This is your topic sentence where you have to make a claim or your main argument. This is where you will tell what you will be arguing or proving in the whole paragraph. It should be clear and to the point. Let's look at an example of making a claim in this argumentative paragraph about red vines and Twizzlers. Remember, the first sentence should tell the reader what the paragraph will be about and what you will be arguing. It reads, red vines and Twizzlers are both sweet treats. However, red vines are better. I know after reading this sentence that the writer will be giving me evidence to prove that red vines are better. It is clear right from the beginning what this whole paragraph will be about.